Our team has been called together today to discuss our next operation, code word, Logos. Logos. Logos is beginning to infiltrate our church, our community, and its potential for positive change is just enormous. It must be spread. We've already seen it pop up everywhere, around church, in the bulletin, even saturating our newsletter. What does it mean? What does it all mean for us? For our children? For our church? For our community? Some preliminary investigation has uncovered one meaning. The word logos is Greek, and it means simply the word. But that is not enough information. We need to learn more. We need to find out what this logos is doing, how it forms, how it grows, how it reaches our community at large. This is what we've learned so far, our preliminary findings. Logos is a mission, one which Christ Clarion has chosen to accept. It's a mission for our children. It's a mission for our church. It's a mission for our community. But the one thing that the Logos ministry is not is mission impossible. In the context of the church, what is a mission? When a religious group spreads its faith, provides assistance, performs a service. Now, if you look at Logos another way, Logos is a ministry. The act of serving is service. So, Logos is a ministry mission, which we have chosen to accept. It is a program that spreads faith, provides assistance, and serves children. So really, it's a children's ministry, and it's going to be our mission. It's 106 miles to Pennsylvania. We got a full tank of energy, half a pack of kids. It's bright. We're wearing sunglasses, and we're on a mission from God. Let me explain. The Logos program sees that there is a need these days for children to build strong relationships in their family, in their church, and in their community. They recognize that there are so many pressures and stressors for children in today's society which shape our children's values. So Logos works to give children a safe, Christian, fun, weekly, after-school place to be themselves, to be valued, and to learn what it means to be Christ-like to one another. So it's a ministry for children once a week after school with a special twist. It's not just a safe place for kids to pass the time. At Logos, kids will build meaning relationships with each other and with adult church members. I hear a call for service in those words. Get support for Christian values. Be cared for and be nurtured. Have their faith nurtured and supported. And with that, we hope, we even expect, it can transform our youth into lifelong disciples. Help our youth catch the faith. Provide a focal point, a source of energy for our church transformation. Sounds like a big task, huh? I'm thinking, will there be enough kids interested in carving out an afternoon for this every week? That's a valid concern. Will there be enough people interested in staffing a program like this every week? Another valid concern. However, I would say that with God, all things are possible. This is And now, God will provide.
Amen. So, hesitate before considering this mission impossible. Try to think of it as a mission for God and venture to see it as an exciting challenge. Like Indiana Jones, he didn't see finding the lost treasure as an impossible mission. He saw it as an exciting challenge and a great reward.
Our children's faith is the greatest treasure, the greatest reward, and we have the best advantage here. Faith in God's word. So how does Logos do this? Well, the Logos ministry developed a program over 40 years ago, and they've tested, updated, and improved on it over those years. They've offered a structured blueprint, if you will, of their program to any church that joins them. So that church can create their own version of the Logos time-tested, effective 4-part program right in their own church. The details of that program will come later. But the basics include the 4 F's. Fun. Kids love that. Friends. Sounds good. Faith. Wonderful. And food. Okay, I know I got some of your attention on that last part. Food, yes, there is food. A whole meal every week, including, can I have a drum roll, please? Dessert. So, now I got your stomach's attention. Who runs this program? I need you. I need you. Together, our Christ Clarion family will use our spiritual gifts and develop this ministry right here for our children, according to the Logos model. To implement this proven ministry, we need to learn the basics of that 40-year program. The ins and outs of it, if you will. If you will, we need to see a map. A map to the buried treasure. How do we do that? We can learn how to staff, create, and implement this program from the Logos ministry itself. They have these great fun educational training programs, and lucky us, there's one coming up in August just over in Pennsylvania. How about that? Kind of convenient. So, if after prayer and consideration, you feel that this is a calling for you, if a program like this excites you, if you want to support a program like this in our church, if you want to be involved from the ground up, if you want to learn exactly what the program is all about, if you want a weekend away from the house, if you want to enjoy learning, friendship, and yes, food with others from Christ Clarion, if you're in, then join us at the conference. It's August 15th in Pennsylvania. We can learn, share, and grow together while we study the map and find out how to create this ministry right here, using our many and varied spiritual gifts. If you want to know more, come see me, call me, email me, and you can be part of the adventure. We have 10 slots for the conference, so there is definitely a spot for you on this adventure. This is not Mission Impossible. This is mission work for our children right here in our community. Join in, help out, join the Indiana Joneses of Christ Clarion in a quest for our children. I truly believe this ministry will be a success. God will provide.